Good morning. Hello, everybody. Bad Mouse, hey there. TLA Trader, good morning. And Tommy Me is here. Good morning. Hello there. All right. Let's start the show. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I haven't even started the Quant Tower. Have to start Quant Tower. That's a must. Let's see, 64. Yeah, okay. Bit of a drop here. We might go down to 52. How about that? All right. Michael, good morning. Michael, good to see you. And everybody, of course. We have a new day opening gap down there at 227. That's interesting. That is interesting. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you again, too. Ruanova, hey there. Hello. Whoa, what a drop. What a drop. What a drop. Quick 500 and open. Let's go. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Do we have some news, by the way? No news in the AM, I mean in the London session. Hold on a second. Is Trump going to speak? President Trump speaks at 3 a.m. Where is he? Oh my God. Is this correct? I think it is. How is this possible? Where is he? Fox News. Interesting. With Elon Musk? Okay. Anyway, interesting. UK CPI, yeah. Quick 500, nice. Let's go. András, jó reggelt. Oh, I see. All right. Don't worry. It's all right. Trump sleeps like a baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, all right. What is going on? What is going on here? Okay, so it must be a pre-recorded interview, most likely. Morning, Tudor. Bull or bear? Well, that's a good question. We have the new day opening gap down there, so and that is like almost we could consider it as a possible Asia low. I'm not sure. I mean, where was the 8? Yeah, I don't know. Let me look at the 1 minute. I mean, the 1 minute looks like it might want to go lower. You have to start this from a higher time frame. Almost relative equal highs up there. Not a good one, but it could be a bullish order block on the downside. So it could continue for the new day opening gap. On the upside, it's not that juicy up there. But who knows? With no fear, welcome. Naomi, good morning. Hello, Naomi. All right. What is happening? What is happening? Trying to figure this out. um, we have a possible Asia high at 291. So it could be possible. It could be possible for it. Hey Ollie, good morning. Everything is okay, yeah. Yesterday, so if someone was here yesterday, I had to take my mother to the hospital again, but she's okay now. She was having she was unwell yesterday, so I couldn't be here, but now she's okay again. Trying to see what's happening down there. 227, 225. Is it gonna go? I wonder. We are in a 1 minute fair value gap here. We're gonna be watching the reaction. Otherwise, nothing special. I mean, it couldn't hurt to take a short, right? I don't know. Should I jump in? I don't know. Looks good. I mean, I do like that area down there, especially with the fact that we have bullish order blocks. So that kind of looks okay. 15-minute bullish order blocks down here. One. We have a zone down here. It's not the most beautiful one, that's for sure. One down there, and this is technically this is not really an order block or a demand zone, but this one is, which is the previous day low. Let's check the daily chart. Oh yeah, all-time high, obviously very close, so be careful. Okay. 265 is daily point of control. High volume nod. I think you're right. Lots of I mean, yeah, just look at the candles around 65. Definitely an interesting point. And on the 1 minute, it's really hard to go by because there's no like significant swing points here. And Asia high 291. I don't know. I would like to think that where's the all-time high? Hold on a second. I'd like to think that it might want to go for it. 448. It's so close. For Nasdaq, it's nothing. Nasdaq can do it even in a London session if it wants to. 450. Yeah, I have 448 on the micro. On the mini, it could be 450. I haven't checked the mini yet, but yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so far in this 5-minute fair value gap, swept the lows here. I wonder if it's going to continue lower. That's the only thing I'm watching for now. Maybe a pro trade on a short position. All right, let's do a short here. All right, just a small one. Just a small one. Let's see if we can target the lows down there. If not, I'm just gonna get out around 64, 65-ish. All right, let's see. So the daily probe trade. Here it is. Let's see. I'm targeting the new day opening gap down there. Small position, very small. So nothing fancy. And by the way, I made history because one of my Take Profit Trader accounts, actually the only funded account right now with Take Profit Trader, has got to a payout level. So I'm requesting a payout from this today. Not too much. This is 150K account, and the safety threshold is $4,500 on this. And so I'm going to request $315. But hey, the plan with Take Profit Trader, as I told you many times, because there's daily payouts, so no minimum trading days. If I can get the payout, obviously I think they should, so no issue. So I get the payout from this. Next time I make an extra few $100, I'm going to request it as well. So all I'm going to do on this account is whenever I'm in a few $100 of profit, I'm just going to request it. Boom, boom, all the way. That's what I'm going to do with this account. So now it's basically turning into, or should be turning into, an ATM machine. You know, that's why we love Take Profit Trader. So thank you, Ali. Is it right on Take Profit? You need the max loss as profit and all above. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to take all the profits. All the profits. So here on this account, the $4,500 is the safety threshold. By the way, if you choose, yes, it's still 91% red. Good morning. I think it's $97 or 80 something. It's 50% off right now, so I think it's 85, 87. Sorry, something like that. 50% off with the best cheat code. So I also need your opinion about this, everybody. So I could do a different thing here. With Take Profit Trader, once you're above the safety net, which I am, you can choose the option to close the account. So I can close the account, which means I can get 50% of the safety net minus 20% profit split. So that means I can get 40% of the... so I could take out easy $2,000 from this. Like $4,500 is the safety net. I can get $1,800 from the safety net plus 315, 252 plus 1,800, $2,052 I can get if I close down this account right now. So that's the price for it. So what should I do? Should I close the account and walk away with $2,052, or should I continue to grind on the account and grow it? Because basically now we have the ATM machine here, right? So, you know. Ruanava says he would cash out and get a new account. Ollie says keep grinding. Yeah, I like the idea, Ollie. Yes, I like the idea. I'm not aiming for thousands of dollars daily. So, for example, if I make $300, anything above 250, right? Because of the transfer fees. So, if I make $300 in 2 days or whatever, or 400, whatever, I'm just gonna request it. Next time I make another 300 or 400, I'm just gonna request it. You know, get it all out as soon as possible. You know, yeah, do what it feels right. Exactly. I think I'm gonna keep the account. I think I'm gonna keep it. Obviously, I'm sitting on 1,800 cash that I could be requesting with no sweat. But I think I'm gonna keep the account, and I'm gonna request $315 today, which is going to be $252 net. And if I can continue building up profits, that's what I'm just going to keep on doing. You know. Exactly, best DJ in town. I like it. I like it. I mean, obviously, there's no problem if you guys say that I should close the account. I was just curious. But now, basically, this Take Profit Trader account is at the stage where basically it like now it's absolute. I mean, I know it's simulated account and everything. I know it's just a demo account, blah blah blah. But now, any trade I take is quote unquote really my money. So if I make $300, I can just request it any single day. No minimum trading days. Nothing. I can just request it. The ATM machine is ready to go. We are above the safety net. So anything I do is just pure profit. Well, minus 20%. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Exactly, Tony. 80% profit split. So that's why $315 minus 20%. I'm going to requesting $252 today. You know, just to feel it. Just to feel it. I'm going to do it in business hours. Usually, I could request it today, right now, but 100% sure I'm not going to be approved until business hours. So I just want to see how it goes. That's true. Yeah, Tudor. Yeah. All fund personal. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, actually, Tudor has a point there. I could get all the money out, $2,052 from this account, transfer it to a private account. I could do that. Open an account, for example, at MFutures or TradeAway. I don't know. No, not TradeAway. I need a Rhythmic Connection or CQG. So open a personal account and, you know, trade this $2,052 on a personal account. How about that? No rules, no nothing, 100%. I can keep 100% to myself. That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah, the Pro Plus is 90%, yeah. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Fish lips. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Take the money and pay myself $300 every couple of days and build it up. Yeah. Exactly. That's also a good idea. Just opened a trader account the other day. Funded it with 100 just for testing. Let's see. I actually like the idea. I have to think about it. To get the money out and open a personal account. I actually do like the idea. Channeling the money out and open a personal account. And just trade with, obviously, with 1 or 2 micros there. That's a good thing. Still in this trade, looking for new day opening gap to be rebalanced. Nothing special here. When you get funded, take the payout and put in a real account. Still waiting for the funds to get in the trade with anyone else had experience. Well, with Revolut, I don't know when you wire the money. With Revolut, it can take up to at least 1 or 2 business days. You know. I think it's not. It's something, Luna. I think it's something. I think it's something to be considered, actually. And just like Tudor said, now it got to my mind, like, what if I would channel out that $2,000 to a personal account? No rules, no prop firm thing, nothing. I can keep all the profit. I can withdraw anytime during the day. And, you know, absolute 100% freedom. Obviously, have to go with strict risk management and you know, trade with 1 or 2 micros. Actually, that's a good idea. I kind of like it. I might going to think about that. Yeah. Yes, they have 100 and no problem with the caps. Don't worry. They have $130. 130. Hey, 100 lot. Exactly. Yeah. So actually, I'm super happy about this account. Again, I mean, I'm really happy about this Take Profit Trader account. And you know, it's just awesome. It's just awesome to have an ATM machine ready to go. But again, now I'm starting to think that maybe it would be better to cash it out. So 50% of the safety net minus 20% profit split. Basically, that's a 40% from the safety net. 1,800 plus the extra profit here, which is net $252. So $2,052. Now I'm really starting to think to cash it out and close the account. And I can always start a new one, you know. 3 personal accounts and copy trade them. Yeah, that's actually a very good. Yeah, $30-50 a day tutor. Absolutely. Yes, I know, Aaron. That's what I'm calculating. That's why I said 2,000. That's why I said $2,000. I can only take 50% of the money minus 20% profit split. So 4,500. 50% minus profit split. $1,800 is what I can take from the safety net. Plus, I made $315 above the safety net. That's a net $252. I already know the number. So I can take $2,052 from the account if I close this. And I can channel this money to a personal account. No rules, nothing. Just channel this money to a personal account and trade there. You know. Actually, I'm thinking, I'm starting to think about that. Is there a number of days where you can take a whole safety? Yes, 60 days. 60 days. You can take 80% of the safety net if you have above 60 trading days. Yeah, absolutely. So Kyle, the least amount of rules right now, next to MyFundedFutures, because MyFundedFutures is also very good, I would say the least amount of rules next to MyFundedFutures is Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. And just a second. Yeah, so with Take Profit Trader, no consistency rule on funded accounts, no restriction on unrealized losses. You can have more than 30% of your drawdown unrealized loss. No risk to reward ratio rule. No restriction on maximum contracts. You can go full, so you can full port if you want. You can DCA. You can micro scalp. No scaling rule. No, you can bracket trade. No restrictions on position sizing. You can trade the opening range breakout. You can trade earnings. You can do whatever you want. One thing, what you cannot do, you cannot trade the news. That's the only thing with Take Profit Trader. No news trading. Here's another. Keep the account. Put every withdrawal in the personal account until you build up. And finally close TPT and take the money. Start new challenge. That's also a good one. Yeah, so Take Profit Trader, I don't know what to say. I think they are really getting better and better. Trading for a year and a half, and I started by investing in a real account. Decided to take top step account to grow my. Let's go. I do have a Discord. Currently, it's very, how should I say, dead. I should be contributing more to my Discord. We have very few members there, but right now I would say please wait a little bit. I'm nagging a guy who is going to prepare a brand new Discord with the same stuff we already have on the old one. So now it's a $10 monthly fee, but I would wait a little bit, Ryle, just a little bit, but because I'm really expecting the new Discord to be finished any day now, really. Yeah, 100 lot, never a bad idea. Yeah, trader weight is good. Luna, that's absolutely. I think, yeah, good luck, Luna, and I think you're doing a good strategy there. You are closing the account. Yeah, so I can close the account with for $1,800. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that, best DJ in town, but 1,800 plus 252, so $2,052. I can close the account. I can close this. in a power position. Yeah, I mean, by the way, the only thing, if that's what you mean, 100 lot, the only thing, if I close this account, I'm definitely going to lose some leverage, which I don't really need. With this account, you have the potential to make a little bit of a like bigger profits. Like bigger, I mean like you can more easy to make an extra few $100s on a buying power with this. On a $2,000 personal account, obviously you have to be much more careful, and you can only most likely trade with one or just a few micros, like 1 or 2 micros here and there. So obviously the leverage is something that you're giving up if you close this account. The buying power, the leverage is considerably higher here on this account. So the definition is usually micro scalping at some of the prop firms is that it's basically for those individuals who are using algorithmic trading, most likely entering a trade, then closing the trade 2 seconds later and going for not points, but only for 4, 5, or 8, 10 ticks. So just going for a few ticks for 2 seconds. But you can still micro scalp, like most likely try to aim for at least 5 to 6 points or higher and try to hold a trade for more than 6 or 7 seconds. That's what MyFundedFutures said. Now, they're not going to ban you or disable the account or deny you just because you had a few trades like that. But if somebody is abusing the system by only trading with those kind of entry model, then that is not something they like. So that's it. Hey, no wonder why. Yeah, I'm fine. Yesterday I had to take my mother to the hospital because she's still unwell, and she called me early in the morning that she's not feeling good. And so I jumped into the car and called up the doctor early in the morning, and the doctor said I should take her. And yeah, but she's okay. She's okay. She's going under some long-term treatment right now, but I had to take her. But it's always good. You'd keep it open, or you can milk it every day for 100. Yeah, that's true. So Best DJ in Town also has a point. Now I do have a safety net here that I can use. Even if I have a losing day, I still have a buffer zone quite enough to be able to maintain the account if I don't go to full tilt. So if I go full tilt and do stupid shit, I might lose this account as well. And this is the point, like if you are aiming for an ATM machine, like Take Profit Trader is really the best for it with the daily payouts. I do have a blog post on it as well if you check out my blog. So it's a good question. I never really thought that I'm going to get to this point and I have to decide if I want to keep. But, you know, I worked on it and I don't know what to do. Thank you. No wonder why. Thank you, 100 lot. Yeah, she's most likely, it seems like that she's having an autoimmune disease. Still not 100% sure, the doctors, but the problem is that it's going against her kidney and she's having issues there. So the kidney is, you know, it's not a good thing if there's an issue there. And, but it's going to be a long treatment. It's going to be a long treatment. You too? Kidney? Ah, man, autoimmune disease. Ah, it sucks. Does it take you to build the account above buffer? Well, it took me like, I have to say, Fish Lips, it was, so I was trading more aggressively than a 50k account, like double risk usually. Like I was going for $200 or $300 of losses, stop losses, and I was sometimes scalping with 1 or 2 minis. So most of the safety buffer were built up by scalping with 1 or 2 minis. Some of it off stream. Most of it off stream, by the way. Power hours, some scalps here and there. It took me around 3 weeks. Something like that. That's also a good idea, Sorel. Build up a small buffer above the safety net and just take everything above that. No, that's also good. Exactly, exactly. What is a good side for a 50k? I have one more day to get 200. And get a payout. I do not want to lose this payout. So what is a good size? To get 200, you can get a $200 gain only with trading 1 or 2 micros, but not in London session, Steve. I would go for the New York session, and you know, depends on your stop loss, obviously, but I would go. You don't need much, just a few micros, like 3, 4, 5 ish maximum. I wouldn't even go bigger than that. Even if you, I mean, especially if you have a risk to reward ratio that's bigger than 1, like 1.5 or 2, you know. Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you. Yeah, that's also, yeah, that's a good idea. If I hit into the extra buffer and I lose confidence and I'm closing my butt cheeks, then I might still decide that, okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna take the money. I'm just gonna run away. I'm running away. You know. Cost me so much energy. Yeah, for no reason. Yeah. Sometimes London. By the way, it does good moves. So yeah, Bulenox is on sale, so it's. So 3 weeks is 15 days over 100 a day payout guarantee. No tilt effect and build up another one getting paid. Yeah, fish lips. That's a good idea too. Yes, I'm in a short, but only a very small position in a small drawdown. I'm risking about I don't even know, $60, and it's not on the it's on a MyFundedFutures account. Nothing special on this. I was aiming for the new day opening gap, you know, to start going lower. But it seems like it might just going to grind higher. This is my probe trade usually. Not really a good one, I admit. It's this is a 1 minute fair value gap, by the way, but this is the 5 minute chart. So as you see, it's still holding. I don't think it's gonna hold it. Yeah, it's going higher. Anyway, I don't care. If it gets me out of the position, fine. Almost out anyways. Good morning, Trader Monkey. What I get? I have loaned so many at payout, and it gave. Yeah, fish lips. I know how to. Trust me. The video I put on fish lips. Check out my video. It got a few views. It's called I lost all my funded accounts. All I had to do with Apex, I had 3 more days of the last cycle, and I was able to request $5,000 from 4 Apex accounts. And all I had to do is to flip 2 days. So 2 days flipping, just open and close. And all I had to do is just make 1 day $50 or more. That was all my job. And $5,000 payout. I'm 100, and it was all proper risk management. And I got full tilt, and boom, just like that. $5,000 out the window. And I was building up those accounts for 2 months or something like that. Out the window in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. 2 months of work, $2,000, 2 months of energy and work, out the window in 5 minutes. The details are in the video, so you can check it out. 5 minutes. I was feeling actually chest pain. I was feeling pain in my chest. You know, I was like, it's in the video. Yeah. Artie, good morning. Good morning, Artie. Good to see you. I was also hammered yesterday. Oh, damn it. Bad mouse. Sorry for that. Sorry to hear that. Hey, listen. We have to learn from these mistakes, bad mouse. We just have to learn. That's how we move on. Exactly, Steve. So check out my video, Steve. It's in there. It's in the videos. I explain everything in detail there. How I lost it. I was like, phew, that feeling. And this is exactly what Steve says right there. This is exactly what I'm scared of. So I'm getting closer to, like, a quote unquote, for me, a bigger payout, a reasonable amount of money that, okay, this is going to be a good profit. So you see the problem? I'm already focusing on money when I shouldn't. So I get closer to a payout and I do something stupid right at the finish line. Something stupid, just like I did last time. And boom. I don't know how many times I have to burn myself for my brain to learn. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, Ruan. You're up $60 away from 100 and blew it. Yes, 10K. Oh my God, 10K gone over $60. Jesus, fish lips. Oh my God, 10K out the window because of $60. Oh my God, you're worse than me. Just joking, of course. Fish lips. Oh my God, that's terrible. This thing I'm keeping around the shop. Yeah. 1,000 minis. Oh my God. Oh. What's up? 18,000 under. What? That is. Wow. Oh, Michael, as you wrote it down there, the moment when the smoke clears, exactly. I was holding the mouse button and my fingers on the keyboard and the mouse button, like, and the smoke settled, and I was like, and I was like, total brain freeze. Like, I was actually frozen at the screen, like, I couldn't even speak or think, like, what just happened? I don't know. So, yeah, I get close to a payout. Ego, yeah, exactly. Sky high ego. Same. It can go for years. Oh, damn it. 100 lot happened with 12K, 20K. Oh my God, 30K, 100 lot. Jeez. Whew. Jesus. Man, all we can do is learn from it. Oh yeah, definitely. yeah, bestie. How I lost my payouts. Well, up a top step combine. So I blew up evaluation accounts like $10 or $50 or $20 away from getting passed. Happened like a few times at MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Twitter. I know how it is. Been there. Bird. in hand, man. It's better than promises, yeah. Hello, Gábor, üdvözöllek. Oh. Fellow Hungarian trader Gábor says he failed the Take Profit Trader 150k Pro account. Ó, öregem, nagyon sajnálom, basszus. Na, ettől tartok én is, nagyon sajnálom. Oh. Had to cry a bit. No wonder why. There was a time when I cried too. Maybe not like a baby. I mean, I cried like a baby, but not because losing the account. But I did, you know, smashed a few tears here and there. That happened to me as well. Like, I think it was two years before or something. I don't know. And I was totally broke. Duncan sponsor trades. People lose millions on options. Oh, I don't want to be part of it. Yeah. Brain freeze kicks in. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Yeah. 2000 past first step in. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Bad Mouse. So, everybody has a different path, a different way. And, yeah. I know how it is. I know. The target, sorry. Oh, yeah, let me show my target is up down there at the new, just before the new day opening gap. So I'm targeting that. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, we're not alone. We're not alone. And, you know, just, you know, be here on the channel with me. This is a sanctuary, you know, for people like us. We share our pain. We share our success. Mostly pain. But we're in this together. That we're going to get there, but it's going to cost a lot of pain. That's why they say trading is the hardest way to earn easy money. I'm going to say it again. I love this sentence. Trading is the hardest way to earn easy money. Ion Vajda, good morning, jó reggelt. Yeah, I cry because I can't. Yeah, Ryle, most likely that's the cause of the pain. To face yourself in the mirror and you have to acknowledge that you're not using proper risk management. I'm in a short position, but it's a very small position. As you see, it's 3 micros. I'm risking like $60 or something. I don't really care anymore about this. My first trade in London session, as I call it, is the probe trade. I just send it to see how it goes. And, you know. Yeah. Nice entry at Intel. Oh, nice. Oh. Let's go, Artie. On the market, that's why I'm still alive, but it could stop myself. But if I could stop myself from doing stupid shit, roll. Yeah, exactly. We are the biggest obstacle. Taking a hit and not to give up makes you exactly, Gabor. Exactly, Gabor. That is how we're getting better, taking more hits. Some of us needs to take a lot more hits than others. For example, me. Some of us can learn from a few hits and then getting better. It's different for everyone. No, I'm always trying to read the chat here, Ali. Advice for a stop limit for my account for New York. My target, what? Well, you know, if your target is $200, and for example, I would go with a $100 risk per trade. But listen, Steve, if you lose the $100 trade, and then you're gonna be like $300 away. I know it's painful. I know. especially if the next trade is going to be a loss as well, then you're going to be like $400 away, right? But that is the point. That is could be the breaking point. That is when you should not do stupid shit. Sorry, excuse me. But that is the point where you should not do anything stupid. Maybe if you lose 2 trades in a row, maybe you should just, sit back and relax a little bit and sit on your hands and just, do another analysis or something, or even not even trade for the day. Come back next day. So, thank you. No wonder why. Good morning, Farhad. Hey. Yeah, it goes in circles. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly, Bad Mouse. Exactly. 2,500. You've been denied twice before? Oh, man. Then, yeah. I mean, that's another thing. We are focusing too much on the money, right? Which is, like, understandable, but focusing on the trade could make us better, right? Yeah, discipline. Exactly. The magic word. The magic word. I'm still using, by the way, I'm still testing a mechanical system based on indicators. So here it is. I'm still testing it. It has some good entries. The reason why you might ask, why am I using this? Why am I trading this system? This is on MetaTrader 5, but on futures. Because I'm just talking about from experience. Sometimes it feels good to trade on a mechanical system because I'm talking about experience. It takes out the emotions. I mean, a lot of emotions, because if the system shows you a sell signal, for example, here was a perfect sell signal. Even if I lose, I say, okay, I did what the system told me, and that's it, So I was talking about these indicators months and months ago that I'm testing it. I'm still not ready to use it on a funded account because I don't feel it that much, but I do see the signals. Basically just exponential moving averages and fractals, nothing else. That's it. This is just a zigzag indicator with exponential moving average and fractals. That's it, nothing else. I'm looking for pullbacks and breakouts. So for example, it's not pull, it's a retracement up here and then a break. That's what I'm looking for. That's the whole system. Or for example, here that we have the big dot, the smaller dot, basically a pullback, breakout. Nice. Also, big dot, small dot, pullback, breakout. Same thing here. So big dot, small dot, pullback, breakout. Beautiful trade. And that's what I'm looking for. And I'm still testing it. But sometimes it feels good to have a system like this. It doesn't really have a name. It was written. It's called XARD, Trend Following System, for MetaTrader 4, but it has been converted to MetaTrader 5, and lots of stuff has been taken out of it and has been converted to futures. So a buddy of mine actually took these indicators and recoded everything, and I'm still testing it. So it's basically exponential moving average. Yeah, it looks like from the 70s. The color is not my favorite for sure. Yeah, I'm just so my priority is still gonna be and will be trading smart money and supply demand ICT concepts. So I'm not going to change anything on that. This is just interesting. Always I'm watching the system, how it behaves, how it gives the signals, etc. They are delayed. Oh yes, they are delayed. Yes, Bad Mouse. I know. I know. I know. Exactly. Exactly, Michael. Waldo, hey there, good morning. No, that's for MetaTrader 5, yes. Elküldöm szívesen neked. Vagy aztán fent vagy Discordon, majd ott átküldöm. Yeah, AlgoBox. I heard about AlgoBox, but haven't really checked into it. If you're interested in indicators and strategies, I can share some stuff I was working on for 2 years. I'm trading live with it. And fully auto. I don't. Yeah, the fully automated trading. I don't believe in it because sometimes, I mean, you have to. The market is like has its seasonal tendencies and also yearly tendencies. So it's always changing. And I don't think there is a retail version of a quote unquote perfect algorithm. I heard about the algo box, by the way, but bad mouse maybe. So far, I'm not really looking into testing more indicators because I'm just focusing on the main thing. But this is the only one I'm looking right now. But maybe. Uh-huh. Exactly, Arthur, yes. Nix, good morning. Malo is here, everybody. What up? Hey, no problem. The move, this is a low probability trade before you jump in. Low probability trade. I'm just looking for the new day opening gap down there, but mostly on the 15-minute chart, I see some beautiful demand zone here and maybe here, and we still have some space down there to be at least retested. The 200 should be retesting the 200-ish level. I'm not sure, but if not, it's fine too. We have the London Open really, really close now, so we'll see. Oh, I see. Yeah. For Quant Tower, that's nice. Time to make the dot. Yeah. Just be careful. Trump is going to speak. At least an interview is coming out in a few minutes. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna say anything special about the markets. I think. Catch you later, fish lips. Thanks you for dropping in. Yeah, Bravo. It's a risky one. I know, but it's a small position. Good morning. Good morning. You developed a bot for wow, nice. That's good. That's good. Fresh Delgado. Well, nothing special. It's a pre-recorded interview with Trump and Elon Musk. Hopefully, they're not going to speak too much about the markets. I was watching Lieutenant Columbo. One of my superheroes is Lieutenant Columbo. Just one more thing. Just one more thing. Forex Factory is in local time. It's already out. Then what? No. It says the time is correct on my end. It's just a pre-recorded interview on Fox News. It should be correct because FOMC meeting in my time is at 8 p.m. So I'm in the, I think it should be okay. I don't know. It's already done. Okay, then something's wrong on Forex Factory. Okay then. All right. Okay. True. Yeah, it's grayed out. But the time zone is good on my end, so it's being set up good. You see, Budapest, 24-hour. Anyway. Okay, that's the open. Should have expected this happening. Now it's not looking that good. Yeah. It's gonna go higher. Let's go to the 5-minute here. Yeah, it's trading higher than this gap, which is fine. Could be sweeping orders above the midnight area. Nothing is happening. Almost out. Almost out from the trade. Come on, just take me out. Take me out finally, please. Finish the job. Come on. Quick do 15 times 6. Let's go, Malo. Boom. Actually, I'm finished. Good job there. I lost about 65 bucks, so it's okay. Nice. Let's go, 100 lot. Let's go. So is it gonna go to the 72s? I'm not sure. It's absolutely, I mean, Seems to me it's pretty much risky right now. To take a trade. Pare, hey, good morning. One thing's for sure, I'll be careful. If it wants to go for the high up to 71, well, it just repriced this gap. One more push, relative equal highs up there. 72-ish. Just a few points up. 63, 71. Could go. It could go. Let's wait. Yeah. You made back losses. Let's go. I don't know what to think about these highs. That's why I'm hesitating a little bit. If I look at the 5-minute here, this technically is a bearish order block ready to be taken out. Now, do I want to scalp it? I'm not sure. All right, jumped into a small scalp position here. Tight stop. Want to get out at 68. At the top of that order block. Not a good risk to reward ratio, I know, but this is a scalp trade. And I might close it. Obviously a heavier trade. On the 5-minute, there is an order block to the left. And I think, I mean, it should be great for the London Open to take out the order block up there. Oh, thank you, Malo. I'm gonna check it out. Oh no! What's happening now, man? I thought that it's just gonna break the 5-minute order block up there. The high is 68.25. It's not going for it. Yes, Party. And most likely, you know, Nasdaq is always better in the US session. I was thinking to trade the DAX, but the only prop firm that I can do that is at Apex, which I might do. I don't know. Switching to live accounts. Let's go, Malo. Oh no, this trade is not looking good. Jesus, took me out just like that. Uh-oh. What can I do? Is it gonna try to go lower? Maybe take out the what's that low right there? For 246. I'm not forcing this. It's bad as it is, so I'm just gonna leave this account alone. Quite a reversal here. I thought that it's just going to take the order block, but it's not doing it. The X feed. Yeah, that would be, I think, sometimes the X feed is connecting better. Man, I'm thinking what to do here. Can this be an inversion? I'm not sure. Nothing on the indicators as well. So, risky area. I tried to risk it for the scalp. I'm not risking it again. Not now, at least. I wonder if it will try to take the lows or not. Obviously, we do have the new day opening gap down there. But if it's any good, I don't know. Yes, admirals. That's how simple it is. That's how we should keep it. Sell on green, buy on red. Especially if it's all-time high on the green and all-time low on the red. Or vice versa, who knows? Depends. Depends on where we are. Anyway. Let's see what this one wants to do. OG Beats, hello. No, I'm just watching this. I was on a buy scalp and then it took me out. So now I'm just sitting and then watching if I'm watching the 5-minute too and the 15-minute just to see where this one can go. The London Open seemed to be a little bit of a tricky one right now. Let's go. Always looking for a short when it goes up. Oh yeah. I see what you mean there. Up 100. Yeah, it's yeah. I just made this stupid scalp as well, so I'm just gonna watch this, see where it goes. Is it trying to break the order block or takes out the lows here? I don't know. Well, nothing for now. Scalp the short from the VWAP. Hey, Alicia. Well, nothing special. Just a bit of a slow London. Again, how surprising, right? No clear signal nowhere. Until we're gonna stay in this range, anything is possible. But hey, London just opened. Bookmap 245. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Well, definitely there are orders below the 46, and there's definitely lots of orders at 68 as well. And that's why, until we're just hovering here, you know. There's not much to do with it. This is what we get in London right now. Back to that 1 minute gap. What if it wants to go higher? Let me just see it. Go higher and take that 68. What's the level up there? There's another level. And maybe even higher. Who knows? Hey, Beanie Player, what's up? 147? No, I wouldn't say it's much to ask. The problem is that we're in the middle of nowhere here, you know. I think, I mean, obviously it can happen. Jay Smith, hey there. No, I was in a long position. I got stopped out, and I'm just now watching. I'm wearing a short. I'm wearing my shorts. Not much is going on here. Oh man. I don't know what to do. Just to wait. The OnlyFans short. Exactly. I'm always wearing that. You're back to longs? Let's go. Hey, Pip Hunter, welcome. Yeah, Ali, I think you might be doing the right choice here. This is just, you know, this is not even a tradable price action at all. Not even a bit. Equal highs on NQ. Yeah. Have a good day, Ollie. Have a good one. Yeah, I was watching those equal highs up there as well. Yeah, that's interesting. Karsten, good morning. Thank you. From Mallorca. We say Mallorca. Thank you so much. I wish you the same. The weather must be beautiful there. I think. It has to be beautiful right now. Ba-da-dum-bum-ba-dum. 24 degrees. Oh, I wish I would be there. Right now here is about negative 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. So minus 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. It's freezing. And it was like minus 12 degrees Celsius, not too, I mean, a few hours ago. 250 support range low was be too long for simple. So yeah, 100 lot. I think so. That could actually act as a possible support. Yes, but you know, if you look at the 5 minute, I still see this order block here. So that's actually a good target for one who likes to scalp. Otherwise, this whole thing here is like a 15 points range. So makes it difficult to decide what to do. Nothing. Might go lower. Look at that. Is it gonna go lower? Wow, it seems like it. Below the gap again. Hmm. And still inside the gap. No direction. Middle of nowhere at this point. $472. Let's go. Nice. Oh, yeah. I'm still trying to I mean, if you know the range, then you can just, easy jump in and out. Now it seems like again that it wants to break the lows down there while it closed below the gap. Obviously, there should be orders below 46.25. But yeah, nice job, If you can make good profit in this range, then you're doing something real good there. All right, what's it doing? What's it gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Let's wait this out. See what it does. Okay, now it seems like it wants to go for that 46 maybe. Don't know. And it went for it, actually. So it did go for it. Interesting. Now finally, I mean, did it go lower with one tick or whatever? It didn't, right? We're still on equal lows. 244 daily CB high. Oh, really? Oh, you mean come on. You mean the close is 25. I don't know which CB is that. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Let's go, Martin. And by the way, I'm still looking at this here. The 150 5-minute candle is a bearish order block. And if it starts to turn around, I like to see it being broken at 68. Missed your TP with 1 point. Oh. Equal highs at 270. Yeah, exactly. Exactly up there. 272. So we have some good targets. Equal highs on the 1 minute, and this is the high of the 5-minute order block right there. So there are some good targets, and I'm still trying to sit on my hands. Just a second. It was the mechanic from the shop. They said the BMW is ready. The valve cover gasket has been changed or repaired, actually changed. So the car is ready to roll. Ready to roll. Not the 5K. No, it cost me. Actually, they did some little bit of extra. They changed the coolant. So they washed out the complete coolant system because in these BMWs they have it's like a bluish G11 or what it's called, a coolant, the type of coolant that it must be in that system, and that's a blue color. Now this one had the green color, and they said it's not good for the system, so they recommended to wash out the whole system and refill with the proper coolant. So they did that too. They changed the valve cover gasket, and basically that's it. They also said the car is in mint condition, so, and it's ready. So it's gonna cost me with the valve cover gasket, with labor, valve cover gasket, and the coolant system refill. It's in dollars. It's gonna cost me. Well, it's gonna be around $550, maybe $600. $550, maybe I'm somewhere around that. But the car is now in really pristine condition. Look at this. We're going for the 68. Man, I'm tempted to jump in to break that order block. Should I go in? Should I go in to break the order block? I don't know, man. I'm a little bit scared to do it. But that's the only target it could have. Now it's above that 1 minute gap. No. Hey, Dark Cloud, welcome. Equal highs look too smooth. Yeah. Yeah, the stock market is amazing. That's true. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Dark Cloud? Well, if we look at it, we're still in this range, and you know, nothing really is happening so far. We're basically stuck in a range. And look at that. It's going. I feel a bit of a FOMO now. It should be breaking that 68. But I had no entry. Interesting to make these equal lows down there and then inverting. Since switching from 5 minis to 1 micro, I'm finding less stress and less. Oh, definitely. Slower growth, but hey, Steam. We have to respect the small amounts as well. And guess what? Once you get there, you know, once you get to that point, it's gonna be like those small amounts are gonna add up, you know. And once you find yourself above the safety threshold, then it's gonna be awesome to make an extra $100 or $200 a day, you know. I know some of you might not agree with this, and I heard ICT saying this as well. Not because I'm a cult member or anything, but in one of his lectures, and he was talking about this, and I agree with that. Don't expect to be a millionaire from day trading, especially with prop firms. Like, in on these small accounts. So you have to have proper expectations. From this kind of day trading that we do here, if you are able to provide yourself a living or pay your bills, that is something that very few can do, right? Obviously, I'm not saying it's not possible to make hundreds of thousands of dollars even on a month or whatever, but first goal could be or should be to pay out some bills, pay your rent, your living expenses, whatever. Because once you do that, it's changing everything in your brain. It's rewiring everything, and that's what I did. That was also something that helped me. So I reached some payouts with TopStep in 2023, and I took the money. It wasn't too much. The first payout I had was $800, and you know what I did? I was still having some money on my pocket, but what I did, I withdrew the money from TopStep, my first payout, and I used specifically that money on the account to pay for the rent and pay for my bills. And that feeling was absolutely awesome. That feeling, I think that absolutely clicked something, and that changed a lot of things in my mind. So yeah, I could have paid that the rent from other money on another account, but specifically I used that money that came back from TopStep to pay it, and it felt amazing. It just felt amazing. So anyway, just my small take. Yeah. For 5 marks 2 minutes, I started receiving. There you go, Mr. Tabelka. Yeah. Well, also, yeah, there's something in it. So if you go with bigger size, you definitely carefully select your entries. You're gonna be very careful with your entries. So. $5K amount. Oh, definitely a good goal. And by the way, I'm not saying you cannot make more than $5K. My goal for this year to have not just 1 month, but more months that I will be able to take out $10K or more from trading payouts. Now, it's going to take some time still, a few months, to accelerate those accounts to those levels, but it would be awesome to rotate those accounts and take out that kind of money. So 5K a month is absolutely a good goal. and it's absolutely realistic. Not even a, like, you don't even need to have like 20 accounts for that. You can do it with like 2 accounts, for example. Maybe even one. But if you have just 2 accounts, you rotate them, it can absolutely be done with 5K. Oh yeah, definitely the mini gets the heart rate up. Yeah, that's true. How many accounts should I have with what prop firm? Well, Steve, obviously it depends with what prop firm. I would say it depends on your financial situation, your trading style, your risk tolerance. Do you like the daily loss limit? Because I mean, you don't care because you trade with micros. Then MyFundedFutures starter account is good. By the way, the cheapest account, including activation fees, MyFundedFutures starter account, no activation fee. Just saying. So, depending on your style, with Take Profit Trader, my biggest thing that I like, especially with this account, is that I can have daily payouts every single day if I want, or if I can make a payout, a profit, right? That is something that's really attracting, depending on how much risk you take, right? So which prop firm? I don't know. It's up to you. We have some good prop firms, And we have many bad prop firms as well, but the ones that are here are, I'm trading with them. I received Tick Trader. I haven't received the payout yet. And Tradeify, I haven't received the payout. Steve, the daily goal, if you can make $100 a day on average, it can be a negative $100 day. It can be $50, whatever. If you can make $100 average on 2 accounts, you're done. Imagine $100 a day on average. Look at that. Took out the 5-minute, took out the 72, boom. And we're not even at the equity open right now. Oh, I mean, sorry, pre-market open. 8 accounts is easy. Aiming for 300 something. Yeah, there you go. Goal is 12R now. My risk is 50. Well, let's go. 12R is good for a month, especially, yeah. I feel a bit of a FOMO. Should have jumped into a scalp for a few points, but after I lost those 2 trades, my that MyFundedFutures account is down because I risked heavier on the second trade. I'm down $191, so I'm not going to do anything else. J Smith, TP smashed. I guess it was at 72-ish. Good job. Now we have relative equal lows down there. So this. Now we have those equal lows. How about the mini? Oh, the mini actually. Oh, look at that. Okay. So the mini swept the lows. Boom. Okay, so we can go higher. We can go for the Asia high, 291. Actually very close. Man. MFF, yeah. I've made more with MFF than having 20 with Apex FTTs. Like every 5 days, new payout. Let's go. Yeah, it wasn't. I'm super glad to hear about that, Malo, because it also proves my theory that you don't necessarily mean 20 accounts. If you have like just a few, like 2 or 3 accounts or 4 in a proper rotation, and you can make a consistent income from rotating those accounts. Yeah. Natasha, hey there, welcome to the channel. Oh, you didn't hear the clap, the crowd. Natasha, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Average 3,500. That is very good. That is very good. Every 5 to 6 business days. That is an excellent income, Malo. That is excellent. Natasha, hey there. Asia next? I don't know. It's hard to say, really. It's really hard to say. Are we going for that Asia high? We took out these levels. I would say we have now equal lows down there. So just be careful with the longs. Careful. I'd say this level, if not now in the London session, maybe later in New York, could be taken, the 246. I'm just not, I don't think I want to chase it to the Asia high. And that's when it goes to Asia high, when I'm not chasing it. Is that across all accounts? Oh yeah. Average 200, 300 per day, and if I'm under 40%, let runner go and now and then stay inside. Oh, I see. You have the same name? We have two Natasha? Wow. No wonder why. No wonder why. No wonder why. You're a lady? I thought that you're a dude. Or maybe you said it? Anyway, I do like that we are having more and more ladies on the stream. I like it. Okay, look at that. Now it could be inverting this gap and going lower. Oh, you're a woman and the name's Natasha. Hello there, Natasha. It's good to have two Natashas now. I really do like it. So no wonder why I'm gonna call you Natasha too. I think I like the name. I also like the name Naomi. I always like to say Naomi to Naomi. And we have a Vivian too. So we have beautiful names here. Naomi, Vivian, Natasha, you know. That's awesome. Gabor was calling his car. It's Lada. Natasha. Zakti, good morning. Yeah. Look at this. Are we inverting this? Are we going back down to equal lows? 20 points down. It can go, I guess. All right. Oh, I shouldn't have done it. And anyway, I jumped into a short position. Based on this inversion. I'm gonna lower my stop if this could go below 61.50. Actually, I'm gonna lower it now just a little bit. I don't want to risk too much on this. Just trying to if I can, I try to get back. This is basically recovery mode again all over, because I'm trying to dig myself out of the hole. Oh, you're new. That is great. Welcome. Farhad is long. Why? Come on. Oh man. Oh man. Well, it always. I mean, I know. I'm gonna be the next Top Step TV. It seems like it. If I continue the way like I did today and yesterday, I'm gonna be the next Top Step TV. You guys just have to fade me, and that's it. I don't know, Martin. I don't know. I know that the mini has actually swept the lows, but the micro still has equal lows, and you know we're in London and nothing is happening, so why not take those equal lows? That was my and we swept the highs and we had an inversion. This gap has been inverted here, so that's why I thought, you know, maybe take a short after the sweep. You trade ATFs. Wow. Maybe. I don't know. This whole London session is a huge consolidation. That's for sure. If it is, and there's the whole London session is just basically accumulation like consolidation, then the next reasonable area to pick up orders should be below 46. I don't have the book map on, but maybe there are some orders on the micro. No, between payouts, I see money flow. So Bulenox, 10 days between payouts. Yes. 10 days between payouts. Yeah. Let's see if it wants to go down or not. I mean, it was close. Yeah, the website is not clear. Yeah, they should update that. Yeah. No, just 10 days. But there is a flipping rule like 20% of the days, which in this case is 2 days, can be flipped. The other days, you should use proper risk management. But you know what? In between us, they're not really looking at it. Just saying. Oh, definitely. See you next time, Natasha. It was my pleasure. Steam, I tried Heiken candles. It didn't really work out for me, but I see some people who are using it. I saw some people they claiming to be using it with a lot of success, which is great. I always say if it prints money for you, then go with it. You know. Some people love it. Some people really hate it. I don't know what to say, but personal preference. Yeah, no problem. That's the broken sedition. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that could be par. Is it gonna go for it or not? I'm just curious. Like an indicator. Yeah. Yeah, I mean you can actually see if there's a strong trend, or something like that. Oh, you're watching crude. Nice. Oh no, Farhad, come on. I mean it can turn around. And I think today is the last day for the Apex sale, so don't forget about it. I think from tomorrow it's gonna be back to 50%. Today is still 80. Yeah, 20 hours. 20 hours from now, the sale is gonna end for maybe, I don't know for how long, but 20 hours left from the Apex sale. Just saying. The wealth charts. I have to look into those wealth charts. I haven't really tried it, so I know that Apex was testing it. I heard some good, some bad. I don't know. I don't know. We have the pre-market open in less than 5 minutes. So that could be interesting. How much time? It's 3 minutes. Oh, 6:36. Let's go. Super, gratulálok. Oh, thank you, Farhad. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. Yeah, they're still doing the sale. What is happening here, I wonder? Let's try to... 5 minute looks interesting. We do have some equal lows down there, but I don't know. It was close, but now it's not good. Less than 2 minutes to go. You are in sync. That's for sure. You passed 2 of them? Wow. MB Trader, good morning. Hello. Marshall MMA, 2 Bulenox for you. Do you have 2 Bulenox accounts? I'm watching this price action a little bit closer. There could be a squeeze to the upside, it seems like it. What will it be? 9K of making Monopoly money. Yeah. It sounds simple, but actually, yeah. But hey, you have to be a little bit aggressive. With my code, let's go, Marshall MMA. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. All right, here we go. I think we have the pre-market open or something. Could be pushing up there. Oh yeah. Seems like it does. Oh, what a shame. I thought that I can recover, but it's not doing it. It's not doing it. How far is it from the top? Not that far. Yeah. Seems like it's going. It's going. It was too good to be true, right? I wonder if it's gonna take my stop. Where is my stop at 25? No, might go lower then. It just might. Okay, so this gap was it was still holding it. Could be still good. That's a wrap. Let's go 170 times 3. Yeah, Ashev's. I think it's a hard morning. That's for sure. That's for sure. The problem is we are in a range, and I thought that we're gonna take out that low down there, but it seems like it could be squeezing the shorts again, and that's why it makes it a little bit crazy here. I don't know. I don't know what to think. Difficult session. There must be orders down there, I think, in my opinion. I'm just not sure. Not sure if it wants to. Let's see. Yeah. If it wants to get down lower or not. Oh, no problem. Hello. I'm happy for you. Yeah, it's choppy. It's definitely a choppy session. Not sure what to expect here. I don't know. I don't know if I should just close it or whatever. I don't know. Chop Fest for sure. Chop Fest for sure. Well, maybe in a few minutes something would happen. Gonna go to sleep. All right. 4 a.m. You should sleep. Good night. Good night. 4:80, 8:31 is good. That is good. You always suck at. Good night. Yeah, could be. Buyers could be pushing it. For now, it's definitely looks like we're in no man's land. Everything looks choppy. And NQ is just getting unplugged. What a price action, man. Oh. What a price action. What's this gonna do? I wonder if I should close it. It can squeeze all the way up there. We have some uh, equal highs up there at 78. Can go all the way up. So oh man, come on market, just do something here. The 60 area is holding it. Well, nothing special, Michael. It's just, you know, NQ is stopped moving. Basically, that's what's happening. And that's it. And yeah. That's all there is happening. New 5-minute candle. Oh man. Oh. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get this? So I can recover a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm painting few walls in your apartment. Let's go. London is the best time to do that. London is definitely the best time to paint walls. All right. Let's see. Is it gonna get it or not? We need the W now. We really need the W. A doubler. We need the doubler now, NASDAQ. So please, NASDAQ. We need the doubler. Almost, Pip Hunter, almost. Still not there yet. It's not over until it's not over. So, especially with NASDAQ. Ah, look at this. There has to be some strong resistance. I think it's a high resistance liquidity run. If it, you know, there has to be strong, support here. Look at that. Oh man, it was close. It was close. Well, what can we do, right? 1 point again? No way. No way. I hate that. I hate when that happens. Like, that's like so annoying. And look at that. Again. This is like, eh. I don't even know why am I trading in this range. So if I look at the 5-minute, look at the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna zoom it like this. Look at the 5-minute. This is absolute BS. absolutely BS here. So I have no idea why I'm trading this. We should not be even trading in the London session in this. We should have walked away like at least an hour by now, or not an hour, but at least half hour now. We should have just walked away. Everybody, you know, this is way far from being optimal. All right, Malo. All right. All right, all right. Yeah, just a second. I have to take this phone call real quick. All right, I'm here. Ah, look at that. See you tomorrow, Malo. Sorry, haven't watched it. Have a good one. Now you should stop. This happens to why? Well, I don't know. Because it's the market. The market does what it wants. We were close, but now it is what it is. What can we do? It was a good run. Hey Nathan, what's up? No, you didn't miss anything. Look at the 5-minute price action. Guess what? You didn't really miss anything. The only thing that happened is that we took out the 268 and then went higher. So we took out an order block and an equal highs, but that's it. Otherwise, they're basically just ranging. Big green on gold. Oh, yeah, it's going. There was something news maybe, or I don't know. Some news. Yeah, I mean, I think in this market, most likely everybody gets wrecked, you know. Whoa! Hey! Malo! Thank you, man. Let's go.
Thanks again, brother. Coffee on Mallow Legacy Incorporated. Cool face. Thumbs up. Flexed biceps. Dollar bills face. Folded hands.
There you go. Biceps, everything. All right. Thank you so much, Malo. Coffee on you, that's for sure. Coffee on you. Thank you, man. Congrats on the profits. Malo is killing it. He is killing it. Damn, it's such a bad price action. I don't even want to know what happens to this trade. So, so that being said, I think I'm gonna call it here. This is absolutely a chop fest around here. A full chop fest. So, is it gonna go? Maybe. Anyway, I don't care. I'm gonna call it here. I'm not gonna babysit this trade. I'm definitely not gonna take another trade in this chop fest. I wish there would be a better price action, but there's none. So I'll be back for the New York session. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely not a good session. We had worse this year, but definitely not a good one. Again, thank you. Thank you for the new subscriptions and what can I say? I'll be back for New York Stock Exchange Open. And if you would like to support the channel, use the best cheat code in prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. You can get the best available discounts and resets and everything if you apply my code. And if I mean, it really helps out the channel and me being here doing this. Thank you. So what else can I say? God bless you all. Cheers, everybody, and I'll be back for New York. All right, God bless.